ప్రస్తుతం మనం నాంపల్లి కోర్టు దగ్గరను ఇప్పటికే కేటీఆర్ విచారణకైతే లోపలికి వెళ్ళిన పరిస్థితి ఉంది. ఒకసారి మనం మాట్లాడే ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాం. మనతో పాటు అధికారులు ఉన్నారు. చెప్పండి అన్న, ఎట్లా చూస్తారు ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఫార్ములా కేసు విషయంలో ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ బాండ్స్ రూపంలో కూడా నిధులు మళ్లించారంటూ కూడా ప్రధాన ఆరోపణ ఉంది. ఎట్లా చూస్తారు? ఎటువంటి వాదోపవాదాలు ఉండే అవకాశం ఉంది?
It is a 100% political vendetta. But here from the starting, we are arguing before the courts. Not only here, before ACB, not only ACB, before High Court. But it is a political vendetta. The ACB case, when applicable, there should be a demand of bribe. There should be a acceptance of the bribe. There should be a recovery of money or valuable things from the place of offence. But here three things are not there. How this ACB case applicable? How this case is tenable before the court? This is only political vendetta by the government. But they wanted to harass. They wanted to divert the politics in Telangana state. Always when the people are thinking against the government of Telangana, that time they make these type of things for the only purpose of diversion politics. Here there is no misappropriation fund. As per the ACB version, as per the section 13 clause 1 subclass D, there is misappropriation funds by the government servant. Where is the misappropriation fund? This amount 55 crores, that is 54 crores 88 lakh. I think 54 crores 88 lakh. That amount directly credited to the CEO of the Formula E from the HMDA. Where is the misappropriation funds? That amount till now in that account only. Not misappropriation funds by these officers or ministers. But for the purpose of administration ground, this is a procedural things. These procedural things, on that day the minister KTR has oral instructed to the authorities concerned. Thereafter they have sent money to the CEO of the E-Formula. This is only pure transparency is there. There is no demand. There is no bribe. There is no misappropriation. After cabinet approval, after this financial rules, all verified by the authorities concerned, thereafter they have given a money to the CEO. Where is the bribe? Where is the misappropriation fund? This is case only political vendetta by the government. We are saying you are asking the electoral bond, but they have not given only TRS party, but BJP also they has taken electoral bonds. Congress party also has taken. Entire in India, how many parties are there? Total parties has taken. How you can say in this case this is a electoral bond, this is a kid pro? Where is it? Without having any documentary evidence, how you can say? That means political vendetta. Always you are blaming the opposition leaders, the defaming the character, assassinate the character. It is not a correct. But why dragging in this time, in this period, in these years? If you have documents or documentary evidence, why should keep quiet in these days? For years after you came power, 3 years has been elapsed till today. How? First of all, you have said the Kaleswaram project is Kumbakoram. Thereafter the Formula E. Before that phone tampering. Before that purchasing electricity from the Chhattisgarh. You have appointed a L. Narasimha Reddy commission. L. Narasimha Reddy also given a report. Thereafter you have appointed a Ghosh commission, Supreme Court judge. The Supreme Court judge also he has given 657 pages report. Thereafter what happened? We have filed the petition before the Honorable High Court. After perusing the all documents, the Honorable High Court has given a verdict, judgment. You should not go on the basis of the Ghosh commission.
ఎటువంటి వాదోపవాదాలు ఉండే అవకాశం ఉంది లోపల?
Here today no vadopavadal, no questions at all. Why? Because first time after filing of the charge sheet by ACB, this for appearance. Today we are respecting the courts. We are respecting courts and judges. They summon the Honorable KTR ji. That's why Honorable KTR today, for respecting of courts and judges, we have attended. Thereafter, after charge sheet thoroughly perused by the officer court of judge, they should charges will frame. After framing of charges, the trial will commence. Until unless there is no question, there is no argument.
అది చూస్తున్నాం కదా, ఖచ్చితంగా కూడా ఇక్కడ వాదోపవాదనలు జరిగే అవకాశం కూడా ఉంది. కాకపోతే లోపల ఎటువంటి వాదోపవాదనలు జరుగుతాయి అనేది కూడా ఇంతసేపు అడ్వకేట్ అయితే మనకి క్లియర్గా చెప్తారు. ఇందులో ఫార్ములా ఈ కేసు అనేది అసలు ఏం లేదు, డొల్లా కేసు అంటూ కూడా ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి అడ్వకేట్లతో మాట్లాడుతున్న సిచ్యువేషన్ అయితే ఇక్కడ ఉంది. ఇది కొన్ని పరిస్థితి సిస్టంతో సన్ని మంచిగా హైదరాబాద్.